Hi all, today we are going to create a basic calculator and learn about the arithmetic operators through it. So, what is the basic flow of our program? First we would start our program, then it would ask the input A and B. Then it would calculate all the values and output all the values as follows, which is addition of both values, subtraction of both values, multiplication of both values and division of both values. Okay, now let's open our notepad. Okay, I have documented it as simple calculator. Now I am calling in my standard input output library, and I would also call in console input output library. Let's create the void function. Okay, after creating void function, I am giving in A, comma. So that let me just zoom in font size so that it will be visible for all. It's fine. Okay, so after this I am printing a statement. Enter the value. Then let's give scanf and percentage D for integer. Then I'm giving ampersand and A. Okay, so after this, let me copy paste this statement again so that I can just edit whatever needed. So instead of first, it's second, and instead of A, I will give it as B. Okay, so first let's test this. Okay, this one yeah, this is my location. Okay, now it's A3. I saved it. Okay, let's open the command prompt. Okay, change the directory. Then yeah, this is our file. This location. Give GCC. Okay, all class A3.c. Then -o for output. Then call the output file name class _1 underscore A3.exe. Yeah. Okay, it's running. Yeah, it has been compiled. So not plus other one is okay, it's asking for first value would be 30, second value would be 20. Yeah, it's working. If you need this to be in the next line as I said before, just add /n so that it would give it in the next line. Okay. After getting the variables input, I am going to print the values. I will give A plus B equal to percentage D, comma A plus B. Okay, so just for addition you can give A plus B, and if you are going for subtraction it's just A minus B. If you are going to store this in another variable, you can create a variable as declaring the local value and you can share it. Since I am not going to use this anywhere after this, I am just giving it directly in the print statement itself, so that the memory would be saved. Okay, after subtraction, I am coming to multiplication. A into B, enter A bar B equal to percentage D, comma A bar B. Okay, after all percentage D, I am entering slash n. Okay, so that we can just have them in new line, just making it ready to look. Okay, let's save this, compile it again, then run the code. Okay, the value is 20, the second value is 12. Okay, here we are seeing our input, but we are getting slash n. Okay, it's because I have entered it wrong. Save it again, run it. 10. Okay, I need to give space here. Okay, earlier I have forgot to compile the code. Okay, that's what the error is. Okay, hope you would have understood this. And let's meet in another session on the next class. Bye all.